Sulika. Today I'm going to be talking about 10 new launches from Insight Cosmetics. I have some really cute products with me. I'm going to talk about their features, how they apply, and what I think about them. So let's get started. First is this Radiance filter, which can easily be a dupe to Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter or e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. It's a glowing tint, so it has a very sheer filter, and I like it that way because I don't want my face to look like a disco ball. I want it to have a glow from within effect. This gives a flawless glow which looks very natural. Other illuminators have chunky glitters, which is a big no because it highlights your textures. This one just blends effortlessly and makes your skin look glowing and healthy. This Mega Cover Concealer actually justifies its name because it gives a very good coverage. This concealer is very creamy and a little thick, and I think that is why the coverage is so good. The shade matched me perfectly. It blended like a dream, and you can see my dark circles are covered. Then we have this brow tattoo, which is smudge free. Firstly, it looks so cute. This is one of the best brow products I have tried, and I think it is because of the extremely thin wand. It lets you work with precision, sets the brow in place, adds volume, and the deep brown color matched me perfectly. This blush is called I Am Tinted, and it has a very interesting formulation. It is like a watery tint, so there are lesser chances of going wrong with it. It might look very pigmented, but it gives a natural finish once blended. You can easily apply 2-3 layers of this to build up the pigmentation, but if you want a natural pigmentation, just apply one layer and you're good to go. This Halo Glow Illuminator is blinding. You need the tiniest drop of this and you get this shimmer look. It blends like a dream, doesn't look chunky, and gives a very dewy and radiant finish. Coming to the Super Last Gel Eyeliner, which has a gel eyeliner on one side and a brush on the other side. The gel eyeliner is very creamy and jet black. I love when my gel eyeliners are creamy because then I don't have to stretch the liner and there is no tugging and pulling. You saw how easily it glided on my eyes, and the brush is so pointed it makes it easier to draw a wing eyeliner. Insight has come up with holographic eyeliners, and I want to say thank you for that because most brands come with holographic kajals, which is not the best because to be honest uska pigmentation zyada der tak nahi rehta, and it is so hard to apply those on the top lash line because there is a lot of tugging and pulling and you don't get the pigmentation really well. So I always wanted a brand to come up with a holographic eyeliner at an affordable price. This Insight long lasting mascara looks so premium. The bristles in the wand helps in separating the lashes as well as adding length to the lashes. You can see the difference right away. My lashes look so long with this mascara, and this is not a clumpy mascara, it is really good quality. This Insight color rich lip liner is actually rich in color. Look at the pigmentation. It glides on very easily, extremely creamy and very long lasting. The last product is this soft lip creme. The packaging has my heart. It has a matte packaging. The shade that I have is the perfect red, which I'm wearing right now, and it starts with a moussey kind of a texture and then it sets into this matte lipstick. The shade that I have is Scarlet Breaks, and it is a cool toned red. Let's see if this is transfer proof or not. It is transfer proof. This comes in stunning shades and the texture feels so comfortable on the lips. There is no stickiness at all. Let's try if I can use this filter as a body glow. You can see it looks very glowing and natural. If you want a little more glam, you can add this illuminator. So I'll add it only on my collarbones and I'll just blend it out. Can you see? It gives that wet, glistening look. So this combo can be used for body glow as well. Those were all the products. I have to say I did not expect all of them to turn out so good. Insight has really nailed it with these launches. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite product. Thank you for watching till the end. Take care. Bye bye.